Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common station maintenance for the Dreame D30 Ultra. If you're interested in the D30, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, and we have links to our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to check and shop those deals. So, first things first, on the station itself right here, let's go to the top where we can open it up, and that reveals our clean and dirty water tanks. Let's get those removed. And inside, down in this corner, you can see that little hole. Make sure that hole is free from any clogs or obstructions. That's just a little drain hole if you have any drips from the tanks in there. You also want to make sure that these three guys are also free from clogs and obstructions. So just visually inspect those holes every once in a while. And next up, we'll look at the inside of the clean water tank. Not much to it here, very simple and straightforward. For the clean water tank, as your heart desires, you can clean this out every once in a while if you want. That's all you're going to do with this. Just make sure it's always full of clean water so you can make sure that your mop can run when needed. And then looking at the dirty water tank, this is kind of the exact opposite. You want to wash and clean and rinse this out after every use to prevent any nasty odor and buildup from accumulating in this dirty water tank. Once you leave it for a couple of days after it washes and cleans the mop, you will know what I'm talking about. But the good news is if you have any sort of bleach-based cleaner, that will get this smelling back to normal. But it's in your best interest to wash and rinse this very, very frequently. If you don't want to do that, put a little bit of mouthwash in here. Grab like a cleaning tablet from a retainer, dentures, that sort of thing. There's a couple different options you could use to have something in there to help kill off some of that bacteria and odor that builds up once the dirty water starts filling in this tank. You'll also notice some sediment and stuff will start to settle at the bottom of this tank, so you want to rinse it out periodically. Now we'll make our way further down the station. We have a removable cover right here, which reveals our already installed vacuum bag. So it's very easy to replace this. Once your bag is full, it'll puff out like so. You can take your old bag, make sure that you pull this top section. That's going to be a lid to seal it, right? So if we can pull that like so, that will close that so you're not spilling all the contents as you carry it to the trash can. And then for your new vacuum bag, you're going to install it in reverse order. So line it up. It'll slot right in, then you can just shut and press that other lid section in place, and you have your new vacuum bag installed. And then on the other section here, just vacuum bag storage. There's a little sticker that says use this compartment for storage only. If you're familiar with other Dreame products, this is where the cleaning solution tank would go that you could install there. But in this case, they're recommending just using the vacuum bag. There's no cleaning tank included with the D30 Ultra. And now we're making our way to the bottom of the station. A sensor you can wipe down, two charging contacts, make sure that they're clean and clear of any obstructions. This is the self-empty side where all the dirty dustbin contents will be sucked up out of the vacuum and into the vacuum bag there. So just visually inspect that, pull away any debris. And they make cleaning the bottom tray very easy on the Ace board wash system. This tray comes right out, very easy to wash and rinse out. This is a drain hole, so you want to make sure that there's no clogs or obstructions there, which is why it's important to always periodically clean this off and make sure nothing is snuck down in here to get sucked up in that hole and opening. Keep this on and make sure that it gets looked at every once in a while to keep it in tip-top shape. And there you have it. The station really does a good job taking care of itself. Top off the water, clean the dirty water tank, swap out the vacuum bag when needed, and then also make sure that you clean the removable tray every once in a while.